Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to Quick Tech Tips and Reviews. My name is Tony, and with this channel, we bring you guys a variety of tech-related content. So if this is your first time here, be sure to subscribe and hit that little bell down below so that you're alerted to when new content is being released. In today's video, I'm going to attempt to link the MyQ Homebridge by LiftMaster model 819LMB to my Chamberlain Smart Garage Hub so that I can add my smart garage door opener to Apple's HomeKit. Alright guys, so in a recent video I took my basic construction grade garage door made by Overhead Door and made it MyQ compatible by adding Chamberlain's Smart Garage Hub. Doing this gave me control of my garage door from my smartphone. I want to take that control today and bring it to Apple's HomeKit by adding LiftMaster's MyQ Homebridge model 819LMB. It retails for about $69 at the time of this video. So let's get to the quick unboxing. Alright, so let's take a look and see what comes inside the box. Please regard the green screen behind me. I'm not going to apply any effects to this clip in the video just so that we can get through the unboxing rather quickly. So to start off, you have, congratulations, your garage door opener is now Apple HomeKit compatible. Next in the box, you have the MyQ Homebridge. Let's take that out and get a closer look. And there's a better shot without the plastic. Hope you guys can see that and it's not blurry. Next, we have the Quick Start Guide, the warning label, warranty information, power cord, mounting bracket, same bracket that was used to mount the Chamberlain Smart Garage Hub, and a set of mounting screws and anchors. That's all that came in the box, guys. There's nothing else. So with that said, let's get to the setup process. So to set up the MyQ Homebridge, plug it in and you should receive a flashing blue status light. Now you can see in the picture here I have a blue light, and because it's a still image, it's not flashing. Once you have the flashing blue status light on your device, go ahead and make sure you have the LiftMaster MyQ app downloaded and installed. Let's go ahead and launch the app. Now I've already created a free account when I did the Chamberlain Smart Hub, and it's the same MyQ account, so it's authenticating and signing me right in. Let's add the plus sign to add the Homebridge, and now it's discovering the devices and it should find the MyQ Homebridge, and there you go. Tap on MyQ. It's asking where you want it. I'm going to put it in my primary home and hit next. And now we have to scan the Apple HomeKit code. And it found the device, so let's tap on the device. Yes, we want to allow it onto our network, so say allow. And this takes a couple of seconds, guys. Okay, now that it has been added, let's give it a name. So I'll call it Garage Door. And I'm going to add it to the room called Garage, which I have to create as a custom room. Click Save. Click Next. Click Next. And we have success. So click Submit. And now we're asked if we want to transfer the information from the Smart Garage Hub to the Homebridge. So the answer here is yes. The device we want to transfer from is the garage door opener on the old hub, which in this case is the Chamberlain Smart Garage Hub. Locate the gear icon and press and hold it until the status light begins flashing blue. Once you have a blue flashing light on the previous hub, go ahead and click the next button. Confirm that the status light on your hub is flashing blue and hit yes. Locate the number 1 button next to the gear icon, then hit next. Now press and release the number 1 button until the orange LED lights up. And you can see we have success. I'm going to leave this named as garage door and hit submit. And there you go, guys. The pairing is complete. All the devices have been paired. All right, guys, let's put Homebridge to the test.
Hey Siri, open garage door.
And there's the alert from the LiftMaster app. Even though Siri thinks it's still opening, you can see that it's open and we got the alert from the LiftMaster app.
Hey Siri, close the garage door.
And now you see that Siri thinks the garage door is closed, but you hear beeping in the background, and that's a warning signal. The garage door closes several seconds after that beeping sound as a safety precaution. And once the garage door is closed, we should receive the official alert from the LiftMaster app, and there you go. So I hope you found today's video on pairing the LiftMaster MyQ Homebridge to Chamberlain Smart Garage Hub helpful. So if you're asking yourself, why did I mix and match and not just stay all with Chamberlain or all with LiftMaster? I could have. The products are interchangeable. Both companies make both products. So the reason I did what I did, going one Chamberlain and one LiftMaster, was solely based on price at the time of purchase. When I was looking to buy the Smart Garage Hub, I got a better price on Amazon for the Chamberlain product. When I was looking to buy the Homebridge, I got a better price on Amazon on the LiftMaster version of the product. No other reason. Either or, whatever you decide to combine together will work for you. Hopefully someday they'll come out with one device that does both, so you don't have to just have a hub, a smart garage hub, to make your garage door MyQ compatible, and then you have to have the Homebridge to make it Apple HomeKit compatible. I'm not sure why, and maybe they are working on it, Chamberlain and LiftMaster, why they don't put it all in one device that makes a basic garage door SmartQ compatible and HomeKit compatible all in one device. In any event, guys, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Remember to check out some of my other videos up above. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, and use those Amazon affiliate links. Doesn't change your price, but it does help out the channel a little. My name is Tony with Quick Tech Solutions. I thank you for watching. See you next time.